Welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
So today is going to be all about us. The way we spent our day from the morning, from home, and then all day long,
Till late in the night.
So sit back, relax, and watch.
Enjoy.
Subscribe, follow us, and we're going to bring you more entertainment. So stay back and let's see you.
Talk to you.
Fun fact, working from home can actually be fun. So when you're home, you're working, you're doing your own thing. My goodness, it's just so different, so different.
Absolutely. And you know what? That's what you get when you can control your time. You just kind of do your thing. Walk, eat, enjoy, walk around, do some workouts.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Yeah, I just feel like it feels really exciting, to be honest. And we've spent our day today, working from home, running our own business, and then doing our own thing. Today is just about us,
some couples can work together, but we actually are able to work together. And it's really amazing and surprising to me that we're actually able to work together.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's amazing because 90% of the time, I think it's good. Maybe that little 10%.
You know what she's saying. But you know what? That's part of it.
Well, I don't know about that because when I'm working, it's different and I keep it very professional. So.
It's fun. Anyways, that's how it is.
Woohoo!
This kind of things where they make man say and me I understand, say your dad know like me See me I want make you know, say me there for you, and if not the